triple witching day, a big deal, small deal, so much algorithmic trading nowadays. Do you expect it to create some choppiness?
Yeah, I don't know that I would expect it to create too much choppiness on its own. It's probably baked into just about everybody's algorithm at this point. But with the ARM IPO making so much noise and expectations for next week's IPO from Instacart, the market could be, the buying pressure could be working against any selling pressure from triple witching day anyway.
All right, so I'm hearing some coulds and some maybes with all that, doubt in mind there. What's your WEX word of the day?
Yeah, so my WEX word of the day, Frank, I am suspicious of this market. It just doesn't make sense to me that is as resilient as it has been in the face of some really strong warning signals, some stronger warning signs than triple witching day, I should say, because the yield curve, for example, has been inverted for 14 months straight now and doesn't show any signs of correcting. That's a pretty big deal to me, and I think we're still kind of whistling past it as if it hasn't perfectly predicted every single recession the last 10 times we've had one.
All right, so, there is some inversion, but it has, in all honesty, narrowed in the last couple of weeks. I know the inversion's the signal, not the width or the narrowness of it. But on the other side, we're still seeing that investors are willing to invest in what are, quote unquote, risky assets with the ARM IPO. A tech IPO, really high valuation, prior 12-month valuation when it comes to PE, higher than NVIDIA without the sales growth. What does that tell you about today after we see just such a strong response to the IPO yesterday and even the stock up about 8% in the pre-market now?
Well, I think, frankly, NVIDIA has done all the heavy lifting on behalf of ARM. Their timing couldn't have been better, considering NVIDIA got us all so excited about how much revenue, how much wealth was going to be created by the AI boom over the next decade, let's call it. And I think just riding on the coattails of what the ground that NVIDIA has already laid is really what's made ARM come out to such fanfare.
All right. One thing I want to talk to you about is your pick. It's SoFi. It's related to student loan repayments starting back up in October. How does that, in your mind, help the case for SoFi?
Well, if you just consider that student loan payments were frozen about 3 years ago, roughly, and SoFi, that was their bread and butter, refinancing student loans. But they figured out other ways to make money from banking, selling traditional banking products to their folks, kind of to hang in there and bide their time. So they have a working theory that there's a lot of pent-up demand for refinancings that are going to be coming toward the end of this year. If we do start to hear increases in guidance out of the SoFi CEO leading up to Q3 earnings and even going into Q4, I think that would be a very bullish sign for SoFi shareholders like myself that the theory that they've been working from might actually have some legs.
All right, so you're willing to buy into SoFi today. I want to come full circle. Nasdaq futures under a bit of pressure. It's from a warning from TSMC. What do you see for the Nasdaq today? Does the ARM IPO move it higher, or will these chip pressures continue to drag it down?
Yeah, I think the ARM IPO is going to gloss over just about any other bad news that typical Nasdaq investors, those high-flying tech names, those folks who invest in the Q specifically, are going to move right past any bad news and look specifically at the ARM IPO as ammunition to say it's time to stay a bull. Let's go ahead and push higher.